Understanding Stage Left and Right, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of theater terminology, specifically the phrases stage left and stage right. Understanding these terms is crucial not only for theater enthusiasts but also for English language learners aiming to enrich their vocabulary. So, let's unravel the mystery behind these directional phrases and how they are used in the context of performing arts. The terms stage left and stage right refer to directions on the stage from the perspective of an actor facing the audience. This is the opposite of what the audience sees, which can be a bit confusing at first. Stage left is the actor's left side but the audience's right side. Stage right is the actor's right side but the audience's left side. These directions are fundamental in scripts, stage directions, and when directors give instructions to performers. Understanding stage left and stage right is essential for multiple reasons in the theater world. 1. Precision in performance. They help actors and directors communicate clearly about movements and positions on stage, ensuring a seamless performance. 2. Script interpretation. Many scripts include these directions to guide actors on where they should move or face during a scene. 3. Technical planning. For those behind the scenes, such as lighting and set designers, these terms are crucial for aligning technical elements with the action on stage. For English language learners, remembering which is which can be tricky. Here are a few tips. Visualize yourself standing on the stage, facing the audience. Your left is stage left, and your right is stage right. Think of L in left as L in looking at the audience to help remember that stage left is on your left as you look out at the audience. Let's see these terms in action through a couple of simple examples. 1. Example scenario. A director might say, as the scene begins, I want you to enter from stage right and cross to stage left. This means the actor enters from the actor's right side, audience's left, and walks across to the actor's left side, audience's right. 2. Interactive practice. If possible, stand up and practice moving to your stage left and stage right, imagining an audience in front of you. This physical activity can help solidify your understanding. We hope this video has shed some light on the terms stage left and stage right and why they are important in theater. Remember, mastering these terms will not only enhance your English language skills but also your appreciation for the performing arts. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.